Hey y'all, what's up? In today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and do a blowout on my natural hair. Now, it's been a while since I did a blowout on my natural hair, okay? It's been a couple of months, okay? So anyway, I want to try out this new blow dryer that I got this month. And here it is. Yes, it's a blow dryer and a diffuser. It has a diffuser attachment to it. Oh my God, I can't wait to use this. But anyway, child, so I'm fresh out the shower. I just washed my hair, freshly washed hair. And now I'm going to use it today because I'm in preparation of flat ironing my hair, straightening my hair. Yes, I am, child. Let me take my time because I'm getting a little too excited. And granted, I did open it before to look at it, okay? And I took them out to look at it. I didn't take the blow dryer out all the way because I didn't want to deal with the cords. But this is what it looks like. Look at that. And I got this from Coley. Yes, child. Take your ass to Coley, okay? They wanted a picture. I showed them a picture of my fro and they was like, nah, she got. But I'm so glad they sent it because I've been needing a new blow dryer. And on top of that, they said there's a recall on their Revlon blow dryer brush. There's a recall. And I was like, I knew to stop using it when I heard a little rattling in it. And I was like, oh, I'm a little scared, but I used it anyway. But it's been months since I used it. So I'm glad I got this. And the color is pretty. I like the color. I don't know. For some reason, I've just been into like the slime green look. But yeah, so freshly washed hair. Now I'm going to go ahead and put in the heat protectant. I thought about using grease with the heat protectant, but I don't know. I kind of don't want my hair to be like way down. And I don't want to take a chance of my hair burning. So even though I really never dealt with my hair burning using grease. But here's the IC Fantasia Heat Protectant Straightening Serum I'm going to be using. And the thing is, this is old, okay? I don't even think I'm supposed to be using this. But it is what it is. So I'm just going to put it all over my hair first and then do sections. People still use this right today, child. Right today. It smells like it has a little cherry in it too. So now I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair. Okay. And then add more. Just a little bit because I don't want my hair to be way down. And I'm gonna just hand part my hair. Yeah. Just hand part my hair and then use a little bit more. My hair kind of dried a little bit, which is fine because at the ends it's still damp. So make sure I put it on my hair thoroughly. And if this works out, I'm thinking about just using this because when I straighten my hair, really nothing works. Like for real, nothing works when it comes to straighten my hair. I have low porosity hair. So yeah, now I'm gonna use a tiny bit more. Just a little bit, like a little drop. Okay. So now, put my hair and then in the back. Okay, we good. Now I'm gonna wash this off my hands and use my blow dryer. Ah! Now this is the cool shot. This is cool. My hair's if the blow dryer gets a little too freaking hot, here's the cooler. And here are the temperatures: low, medium, high. And here's on, off. Wait. Here's on, here's medium fan and high fan. Well, what did this one say? Oh, low, okay. So this is off, this is low, and this is high, heating, okay? And this is the on and off button, okay? Simple to the point. Now, I hope, and I mean this, I hope it reaches the thing. Why does it say in the settings, don't stick nothing in here? Why do they have to tell y'all grown ass not to stick anything inside of a, what? What's wrong with your people? Anyway, go ahead. Okay. And let me see if this is a reach. And I like that it has a little Velcro on there. I'm happy about that. It reaches. It reaches. Ah! So now, I'm gonna undo this. I wish it had like a comb attachment to it, but it don't. Okay. Okay, here we go. This right here, amazing. I was a little rusty, but that is fine. Oh my God, my hair doesn't smell burnt. Like, my hair is almost back to armpit length. Like, it's almost there. I like this. And it didn't take long for my hair to blow dry, but then again, I did detangle my hair. Let's get this show on the road. I'm gonna take a little mini break because child, let me tell you, first of all, this blow dry is amazing, okay? Like, it took a little longer on here because I don't know why it took a little longer on here, but this one was pretty, this side was pretty good. It is what it is. Let me look at the length. Yeah, I need a, it looks uneven now because it's not flat iron, but I'm gonna dust it. But you see how it's a little poofy? It looks a little poofy on this side. See that? But it will be fixed, so. Now it's better. Yay. Now let's look at it. And no, I don't be doing this. I don't believe in that false measurement shit. This is what it is. And it kind of looks the same, but I don't know. When I look at the film, I don't know if it's the same, if it looks the same length. I kind of don't think it is though. But we're just gonna see. I haven't flat ironed the hair yet, so I don't truly know. I'm gonna take like a 15-minute break. Take my break and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I went ahead and edit most of this video. Hopefully I'll post it today. But now I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this side. Yeah, and I noticed that my hair didn't like poof back up. Like it's still like, you know, like blown out. You know what I'm saying? Like it's still like straight, like can be straight. My roots didn't poof up. Oh my God. See, when you use it, I'm assuming like when you use this, it like flattens the follicles or something like that. I don't know, but I'm gonna go ahead now. Start on this side. I'm gonna put all my hair together. I'm glad that it isn't burnt. But yeah, child. Now I'm gonna do all of it. All right. This is pretty good. I really like this blow dryer. Like it really did its thing, okay? Like I said, it's been a while since I blow dry with a nozzle or anything like that, but it really did its thing. So this is the end of my blowout. Thank y'all so much for watching. Let me get my mirror. Okay. And now I'm gonna go ahead and straighten my hair, but it's gonna be in a different video. So y'all stay tuned for that. Okay, so thank y'all so much for watching this video and supporting me. I really do appreciate y'all. And until y'all see me again in my next video, you will. And I will link these products down in the description box below. No worries, okay? No worries. But anyway, Until you see me again. Bye.